All right, welcome everyone. Here is your Go Math lesson 9.2. All right, we are on page, what page is this, guys? Good, 285. Practice two-digit subtraction. Choose one way to solve the problem. Draw or write what you did. So we can either do it elevator, escalator, or you can do it with blocks. Let's do it elevator, escalator. Read the following problem. There are 74 books in Mr. Barton's class. 19 of the books are about computers. How many of the books are not about computers? What are we going to do? Elevator, escalator. 74. Ooh, that's ugly. I don't know why. Let me try that again. 74. Take away 19. Equals, and then this is the division line dividing the ones and the tens. Now 4 take away 9. Can we do that?
No.
If the top number is smaller than the bottom number, you have to regroup. 7 becomes a 6 and 4 becomes a 14. Yesterday, many common mistakes I saw made were you did know that this needs to that this number is smaller and you need to regroup. But you forgot to make this one less. So some of you guys yesterday were making this a 14 and keeping this a 7. No, if you brought a 110 here, then this is 1 less. If you brought 110 to the ones place, then the tens place needs to be take away 1. So yesterday some people were writing 14 and then they were doing 7 take away 1 is 6. No, it's not 7 take away 1, it's 6 take away 1 because you borrowed 1, remember? So make sure you're doing that, okay? 14 take away 9 is 5, and 6 take away 1 is 5. What's your answer? 55. Let me show you how to do it with blocks just in case. Here's 74, so we're going to draw 7 tens. 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens, and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I need to take away 19 of them. I need to take away 9 ones. Do I have 9 ones to take away? No. So we need to break a 10 and make that into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I need to take away 9 of those ones now. So I'm going to take away, these are 9. I'm going to put an X on them. And how many do I have left over? I have these 4 plus 1 more here left over. It's 5. And then I have to take away 1 10. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens left over. So I have 5 tens left and 5 ones, which makes 55. Get it? Okay, so now let's move on. Page down. Awesome. Okay, so it basically gives us step-by-step on how to subtract. We've been doing this for a while. I don't think I need to review that. Write the difference. Let's go ahead. I gave everybody a chance to do 1 through 6. My onliners, if you did not get a chance to do that yet, then I need you to pause the video now. Okay, now that everyone's had a chance to do number 1 through 6, let's review and make sure your answers are correct. Number 1, 8 take away 9. Can we do that? No. 3 becomes a 2 and 8 becomes a 18. Now, just by knowing our doubles facts, we know 9 plus 9 is 18. So 18 take away 9 is 9. 2 take away 1 is 1. You see how knowing your doubles facts makes you faster at math? Very good. Number 2, 5 take away 2. Do I need to regroup? No, because the top number is bigger than the bottom number. What's 5 take away 2, class?
3.
What's 6 take away 3?
3.
And I know that easy without using my fingers because it's a doubles fact. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, what about here? 50 take away 12. Can I do that? No, you have to borrow from the 5. If I have 0 apples and you want 2, can I give you anything? No, I don't have any apples. We have to borrow from the 10s. That 5 becomes a 4, and the 0 becomes a 10. Take away 2 is 8. 4 take away 1 is? Very good. 4 is probably the easiest problem you'll ever see. 3 take away 0 is? Anything take away 0 is 3, guys. And then the 2, you just bring it down. So what's your answer? 23. Miss Yusuf, do I have to draw the arrow like you did? Yeah, go ahead and draw it so you know. Just so you remember. Number 5, 0 take away 8. Can I do that? No, 0 is smaller than 8. If the top number is smaller than the bottom number, you have to regroup. 7 becomes a 6, and 0 becomes a 10. And 10 take away 8 is? 2. 6 take away 3 is? 3. Okay, number 6. 2 take away 7. Can I do that?
No.
You have to regroup. 5 becomes a?
4.
And 2 becomes a?
12.
12 take away 7 is?
5.
4 take away 1 is?
3.
What's your answer?
35.
Very good. Good job. You guys have gotten really good at this. Okay, now I'm going to give you a chance to go ahead and do number 7 through 12. If you need time to do that, go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, now that everyone's had a chance to do it, let's go ahead and go over our answers. In class, if you did not get a chance to do number 7 through 12, raise your hand. Okay. If you did get a chance, raise your hand. All right, good. So most of the people got a chance, so we're just going to do them together. Jacob Haney, 1 take away 4. Can I do that? No, you have to borrow from the tens place. 4 becomes a 3, and 11, and 1 becomes a? 11 take away 4 is?
7.
3 take away 2 is? Guys, if you're doing this with me, you need to make sure that you have this work shown. You cannot just write 17 and move on. When I check your paper, if I just see that you wrote 17 and moved on, then I know you're just writing down answers. You need to show me the division line. Everything I write, you need to write. You need to cross out the 1 in the 1's place and turn it to an 11. You need to cross out the 4 in the 10's place and turn it into a 3. If you simply just write 17 and move on, your answer is wrong. Okay, number 8. Do I need to regroup? No, that's the easy one. Do it on your own. Number 9. Do I need to regroup? Yes, 0 smaller than 3. What does the 6 become, class?
5.
And what's the 0 become, class? What's 10 take away 3, class?
7.
Very good. You guys have gotten good fast at this. Good job. 5 take away 1 is?
4.
Very good. Number 10. Do I need to regroup?
Yes.
Yes. 2 becomes a?
12.
And 5 becomes a?
4.
And 12 take away 7 is? And 4 take away 4 is? Easy, schmeezy, lemon, squeezy. How about here? Do I need to regroup? 7 becomes a?
6.
2 becomes a?
12.
12 take away 6 is? 6 take away 4 is?
2.
Easy, schmeezy, lemon, squeezy. Number 12, 7 take away 0 is?
7.
And 3, you just bring it down. So what's your answer? 37. Do I need to draw this arrow? Yes, you do. Just for fun, what is this answer? 8 take away 6 is?
42.
2. And 5 take away 1 is 4. That's 42. All right, let's watch Professor Berger to help us with 13 and 14.
44.
Welcome to Rockstar Academy.
Woohoo!
with my co-host, Jeannie. Jeannie, are you ready to take a look at the rock star question?
Rock on, Professor B! Rock on!
All right, here we go. Adam takes 45 rocks out of a box. There are 27 rocks left in the box. The question for us is, how many rocks were in the box to start?
Ooh.
Should we take a look?
Let's rock on! Figure it out!
There we go. So we took 45 out, and we see there's 27 left. That means if we actually put the 45 back in with the 27, we'd see how many we had at the beginning, which means we want to add the 45 to the 27. And if we do that addition, which we've done a lot now, 45 plus 27 actually equals 72, in this case 72 rocks. Now, here's the cool thing, Jeannie. We could actually check our answers by subtracting. So if we take the 72 rocks that we started with and now subtract off the 27 that we're left with, we should be left with the number of rocks that were removed. So let's do a quick subtraction question together and see if we can have some fun. So we'll take 72 and I want to subtract 27. Well, the first thing we see is that we cannot take 7 from 2.
No way!
So we have to regroup. And instead of having 7 tens, we're going to make it 6 tens and take the 1 10 and make it 10 ones. And if we make it 10 ones plus 2 ones, that's 12 ones. So now we have 12 minus 7.
That's right, 12 minus 7!
Which is 5.
Rockin'!
And 6 tens minus 2 tens is actually 4 tens. And so we see a 4 in the tens place, which means we see 45. And look, Jeannie, that's exactly the number of rocks that were taken out. So we just checked our answer, and we see, in fact, that 45 plus 27 is 72. So there's 72 rocks in the box. And if you take 72 and subtract 27, we check and see that we get 45. So we see we have the right answer.
Yeah!
Did you like that?
Right on! That was a rockin' good time!
Have fun with math. We'll see you soon. You're great.
Okay, let's move on. It was short because this is an easier lesson. Okay, Adam takes 38 rocks out of a box. What do we do with the number 38? Circle it. There are 23 rocks left in the box. So if something is left in the box, what do we need to do? Subtract. We need to box that word left. Now we need to underline the question. How many rocks were in the box to start? So if he had 38 rocks, and then minus 23. Miss Yusuf, how come you put 38 at the top? Why can't I put 23 at the top? Who can answer that question? Rena, why? Good. When you subtract, look at me. When you subtract, you have to put the big number on top. Think about it. If I have the number 22 and 38, let's say I have the number 22 and 38. Which is bigger, 22 or 38? 38 is bigger than 22. But what if I have 22 apples and you need 38 apples? Do I have enough to give you? No, I cannot put 22 at the top and take away 38. I don't have enough to give you. It's going to be a negative number. You have to put the bigger number on the top and then take that away from 22 or 23. Do you understand? Okay. And this is a rule for subtraction. Whenever you subtract, ever in your life, regardless of how big the number is. It could be a 3-digit number you're subtracting or 4-digit. When you get to the 4th grade, you're going to be doing 5-digit numbers. You're going to be subtracting 5-digit numbers by each other. It doesn't matter how many digits are in that number. What matters is the big number always goes on top. Always. Okay? 8 take away 3 is? 5. 3 take away 2 is? What's the answer? Very simple, easy problem. Just because it says hot doesn't mean it's hot, guys. It's really not. Multi-step. Gwen had, multi-step means it's a 2-step problem. Doesn't mean it's hard, just means it's a 2-step. Gwen had 70 cards. She gives, let's box that. That means something's going away. She gives 12 cards to Max and means add 19 cards to Kelly. underline the question. How many cards does Gwen have now? So she had 70, but she gave away 12 and 19. Who thinks they know what we're going to do first? Leia. Good job. First, we're going to add the number of cards she gave away. She gave away 12 and she gave away 19. So we're going to add 12 plus 19, which is, what's 2 plus 9? 11. What's 1 plus 1 plus 1? That's 31. But hold on, she had 70 cards, and then she takes away 31 cards. How many cards does she have left? 0, take away 1. Can you do that? You have to borrow from the tens place. 7 becomes a 6, and 0 becomes a 10. Take away 1 is 9, and 6 take away 3 is 3. What's your answer? 39 cards. Very simple problem. Okay, so you are, as we always do, you're going to go ahead and do page 288, 289, and 290 on your own. Now, in addition to that, my onliners, I forgot to mention this yesterday, I am giving you the 2 worksheets to go along with each lesson every day. I know it sounds like a lot, but I promise I'm doing this because I love you and because I want you to become better and smarter. It's not because I am this big, bad, mean teacher that wants to see you miserable and working all day. That's not my goal. My goal is for you to become really smart and efficient and fast in math. That's why I give you these, okay? So please don't be mad at me. But after you're done with this lesson, you have 2 worksheets to go along with it. You have lesson 39, okay? It's stapled. It's inside of your week 1 packet. You have lesson 39, and then stapled to that is Enrich 37. I need you to finish these 2 worksheets along with the Go Math lesson today. For the 9.1 lesson from yesterday, you were actually supposed to do lesson 38 and then that car worksheet that was stapled to it. So go ahead and work on that one today too. And I'm sorry you might be kind of behind. That's okay. I'll give you time to finish it. Just email it to me when you're done. Okay? But today you need to finish this 9.2 lesson, and then you need to finish right here at the top where it says lesson 39 and where it says Enrich 37. Again, I'm not giving you all of this work because I'm a big fat meanie and I like to see you miserable. I'm giving you a lot of work so you can have a lot of practice. And the more practice you get, the better you get, right? Right? More practice, the better you get. That's why I'm giving this to you. All right, have fun learning. And if you have any questions, let me know. See you guys later.